Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna get a little festive and embroider some pillowcases for the living room, and we're gonna be embroidering this adorable little gingerbread. I also have the girl version, and both of these are gonna be embroidered the same way, so it's half and half. Around it, it's gonna be all thread. The gingerbread is gonna be fabric, and the little details, of course, are gonna be out of thread. So let's get started. Okay, so like I said earlier, it's gonna first stitch out all of the green leaves behind the gingerbread. So we're gonna let the machine run for a little bit before it stops and we add our layer of fabric. So let's start the machine. Okay, so the machine stopped already and created the placement stitch. I did it in black, so hopefully you can see it. But anywho, I'm gonna place my piece of fabric. I'm using this light brown felt, and I'm placing it on top, and it's gonna stitch again the tuck down, holding the fabric in place before we cut it. Okay, so the machine stopped again, and now we're going to cut around the gingerbread and remove the extra fabric before we continue. And the last thing it's going to do is create all the little details on the gingerbread, and basically we are done with this gingerbread applique. This turned out so cute. Obsessed. So yeah, basically the girl version, you're gonna make it the same as this one, where it's gonna stitch the leaves, the little details, right? Then you can add your piece of fabric, cut it out, and then start the machine again so you can create the little details on the gingerbread. So let me make that one off camera. I'll be back and show you guys how they look in the living room. So I'll be back in a bit.